Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today I did this Halloween inspired makeup look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll let you get to the tutorial. Alright, so I already primed my lids. Use the P. Louise base in Rumor Zero. It's basically a white pigment base, whatever. You can use a concealer. I just use this. Next we're going to use the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. I don't know if it's still on Beauty Bay or not, but I really like the packaging on it. So we're going to use this shade right here. It's a orange shade and it's called Redemption. We're going to pack that onto our lid with a flat shading brush, a thin one. There we go. So, flat shading brush like that, like so. Okay. I'm going to take a blending brush inside of that Redemption shade and kind of blend this out a little bit. Shade we're going to use is Grave Digger. It's basically one shade lighter than black. And this is from the Cremated palette. Like that. So I'm going to take a liner brush, looks like that, kind of angled, and we're going to take black, which is hers in the Cremated palette. It's just a black eyeshadow, and we are going to put that, kind of making an eyeliner effect, and it fades into the grayish black. I'm really great at explaining this. I'm gonna make a winged liner. Winged. Alright, so I'm gonna go back with that black again and go on top of that eyeliner that I just put down, because you're kind of diffusing the eyeliner. So I'm gonna clean up the edge and put on the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to finish up the eyes. Alright, so got the rest of the face on. Now let's do the lower lash line. So we're gonna take that blending brush that had the orange shade, and we're gonna put that in our lower lash line where it will really smoke it out here. At least that's my plan. We're gonna take Urban Decay Zero. I don't know what the difference is between this one and the Perversion one. This is like a sample one. They're both black. Then I'm going to take that liner brush and that black from the cremated palette. Smudge this out a little bit. I'm going to take the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, and I'm going to use the, I think, Sunshine Bright. It's this yellow shade right here. It has some shimmer to it. I think I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Lashes. Using Fenty mascara, Fenty Beauty. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully I can get more videos up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, since work has been pretty busy and I've been picking up more shifts, but hopefully I can do some more. Until then, I will see you guys later then. Bye.